Go big or go home, right? Hey, go big or go home. So you wave, huh? Yeah. Why not a couple? My grandmother taught me a long time ago. Wait is a little bit more consistent. Let's have a big fruit set. My baking style is definitely rooted in Louisiana. I started baking in New Orleans when I was 5 years old with my mom and my grandmother, and I never stopped. I want to win this for them.
That's doing well. If you want to bake properly, I believe you need to use scales. You need to weigh it. Baking is a science and there's no freestyling.
But he said, my grandma told me when I was young. I don't know.
Mm.
All right.
I'm streaming my brown butter